While playing by the river pond, Racing Buds the ant falls into the water. Seeing Racing Bud struggling in the water, the fish dives in to help. Fish's attempt to rescue Racing Buds only causes them both to get tangled in a fishing net. Racing Buds and fish call out for help, but no one seems to hear them. Just as they begin to lose hope, Racing Bud spots an old key lying on the bottom of the river pond. Using the key, Racing Buds and fish are able to unlock the fishing net and swim to safety. Racing Buds and fish realize the value of persistence and teamwork as they continue to play by the river pond, more aware of the dangers around them. And so, Racing Buds and fish's friendship grows stronger as they embrace the importance of never giving up.